Did you know you can make 3D models like this using just your drone? Many people think you need specialized, expensive equipment to make models like this, but so many people just don't realize how easy it is. And the best part is, it's entirely free to do so. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make 3D models using any drone and turn simple footage into insanely accurate digital models. Let's jump right in. Okay, so the first step is to actually get the drone up in the air so that we can record the data required to create the 3D model. And after this, we can import it into the 3D modeling software. I'm going to be creating a 3D model of this church here. And what we're going to do is have the drone fly around the object while recording the flight. However, before we begin recording, it's a good idea to set the recording quality to 4K so the highest amount of detail is captured. Also, set the frame rate to the highest possible, in my case 60 FPS, so that the software has more reference frames to use when creating the 3D model. This is just going to make sure the 3D model is as detailed as possible, and now we can start capturing the video. So let's press record and now just slowly fly the drone around the object, making sure that each angle has been captured. If you feel like normal mode is too quick, you can always switch to cine mode. It's best if you don't introduce any motion blur into the video. You don't even need to fly the drone in a perfect circle for this. All that's important is that you fly a full 360 degrees around the object so all sides have been captured. This church I'm flying around has a more complex shape than some other buildings, so I'm also going to fly around it again, just at a slightly different perspective. You also have to make sure that the recorded video is no longer than 3 minutes long, because as we're going to see in a moment, the software we're using will not allow any longer videos than 3 minutes. Once you've done the recording, you can stop it and download the video to your device. Now we can take a look at how we can use this captured video to generate our 3D model. For this, we're going to be using an app called Polycam from the App Store. It's free to download, and all the tools we need within the app to create our 3D model are also free to use. You will need to make a free account in order to access Polycam, and once you've made an account, on the main dashboard, click on the plus button in the corner of the screen, and then click on Upload Photos and Video. Click on Pick Video and select the video from the album. Now you can choose the quality of the 3D model. I find that it's best to select the highest possible quality, RAW, because sometimes the lower quality models can have rough edges and don't look as good. Finally, we can click Upload and Process, and now depending on the file size of the video and your selected quality, the system will take a while to process your model. This can sometimes take about an hour if your model is very detailed. So now the model has finished processing and we can click to open the file. And I think it turned out really quite good. You can use your finger to swipe around and change the view. The shape of the church has been rendered really well, and even small details from our original recording were included in the model. And there are many different tools within the app that you can use, for example the measuring tool. You can rescale the model with the correct dimensions and use this to draw out measurements across the model's surface. You can also view your model in a few different interesting ways. If we click on the dashed circle icon on the top right of the screen, we can switch between seeing the model with its original texture and also as a mesh. This will show you exactly how the software has created the 3D model. You can also view the model in a white clay-like texture. Another fantastic feature of the app is that you can create and export videos of a fly around your model using waypoints. To do this, press on the video icon and press on Custom to create a custom flight path. Using the current view of the model, you can plan waypoints for the fly around. At each waypoint, click the Add button and then move on to the next view. Once you're done, you can click Loop to join the ends of the waypoint path. You can then start the fly around and the camera perspective will follow your planned route around the model. Finally, if you find that the final model has a lot of excess area from the surroundings, you can use the crop tool to only keep the parts of the model you need. So there we have it. That was a quick overview of how you can use your drone to create 3D models using Polycam. I just think it's amazing how detailed and precise these models can be using just a simple recording. If you found this video interesting, then do let me know by clicking the thumbs up down below. I do also have many more drone tutorials on my channel to help you get the most from your drone flights, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, you can subscribe to the channel. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.